So this is what we bought. 1989 VW camper. I'll take you on a quick tour. Quickly around the outside. She's a 1.6 turbo diesel. And she has a Super Viking auto sleeper already fitted. As you can see at the minute, it's been held on by just a ratchet strap. I've ordered the parts from Heritage for the straps, and this is it really. She doesn't look in too bad condition. There is a few points, I'll just point them out and I'll show you. Today's plan, we're going to start stripping her out inside. So she's going to need rear wheel arch. It's rotted through there. Lower section of the rear wheel arch. I think she's going to need a couple of wishbones both sides. They've corroded through, but I'm not sure whether we can repair those. Tailgate's all good. Rear bumper's obviously different colour, but we're going to paint it. This side's probably the best side, so nothing on that rear quarter. The only issue I think I'm going to find is, if you can see, some filler work to the rear. I guess that'd be called the rear, where the rear sliding door would be on the opposite side. I think it used to have the electric hookup in there, and someone's obviously tried to fill the hole and it's popped through, so I may have to do a repair there. And if you can see on most of these, I've watched videos on the front doorstep, only this side by the looks of it is obviously it's corroded through, so that's going to need to be done. So panel work, so as we start, not too much I don't think. So the plan is today is we are going to strip the inside out, get all, I'll show you the inside actually so you can have a look. So that's the inside. Fridge, cooker, grill, we're not sure that they work. We found that a bit of a bonus the other day. The front swivel seat. And that's it inside. So we're going to strip her out. We're going to mark up all the cupboards. We're not going to put these cupboards back in. We are going to use them as template and put new ones in. So that's it. So day one finished on the campervan build. No big surprises. Cabinets came out okay, all marked up to use as templates when we put a new one back in. The only issue we've had really is trying to get the floor up. The bolts are rusted, and there's a nice little hole in the corner where the waste pipe is, where we're going to need to put a patch. This is what's on the other side of those holes I mentioned earlier. They've just tried to fiberglass the hole. That's why it's cracking on the other side. We'll have to weld patches in there, or I'll reuse the holes to put the electrics back in.